Today, we will learn how to use the search function within the Navionics Boating smartphone app. First, open the Navionics Boating app. For this video, we are using a compatible Apple iPhone, but the steps will be the same on an Apple iPad or Android smartphones and tablets. Tap on the magnifying glass in the upper left corner of the screen to go into the search function. The Navionics Boating app allows you to search by name, category, or by entering latitude and longitude. Tap the text box and start typing your desired location. Results will begin to pull up from nearest to farthest. Select a result to view it on the map. You can also choose one of the categories to search for the nearest marina, food, harbor master, and more. Here, you can see an example of the closest marinas to the location on the map. Just simply select an option to view it on the map. Lastly, you can search by a specific set of coordinates. Tap on lat long in the upper right of the screen and use the scroll wheels to enter your coordinates. Tap Show on Map to display the point on the map. Tap the menu icon on the right side of the location bubble to display information in the area of the coordinates. You also have an option to check weather, add a marker, or boat to that location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com/Navionics.